My name is Boover, and I'm the lead teacher here at Herring Gut Learning Center. I've been here for 7 years. I've been a science teacher for over 20 years. I was teaching in Worcester, Massachusetts for a number of years, and then I moved up to Maine, and this opportunity came up and I applied, and here I am at Herring Gut Learning Center. So I'm on the advisory board, so I attend meetings, and I think my job is to represent education, middle school, high school, as a middle school and high school educator, to at least be there to make them aware of how important education around this industry is. What the EPSCoR grant gave to us was our ability to develop a program where we can educate kids about seaweed, but more than seaweed, it was just giving kids an education about being able to read about seaweed or algae, to be able to do math around it. It's sort of our hook in order to keep kids in school and to keep kids moving forward and getting an education. So I think once that people understand that they can actually maybe make a fairly decent salary from growing seaweed or algae, make a salary from fish, growing fish, farming fish, then I think that would turn it around, or at least make it stronger. The kids are much more open to eating products made with dulse or kelp or any of these species that are now being farmed. And I think that they're aware. I was at a meeting the other day with some lobster men talking about what's going on in the fishing industry here on the peninsula, and one of the things that came up was the aquaculture that we're doing down here at Herring Gut, and how we're teaching kids that could be maybe future farmers. And so even that's getting out to the lobstermen that we're doing aquaculture down here. A lot of the teachers want to work with Herring Gut because what we do is we get their kids out on the beach, not just looking at organisms that we find under rocks, but we're really looking at the plants around us, the tidal zones, the intertidal zone, and the importance of keeping it healthy and the things that we can actually get from it. And a lot of that was done because we get that money from EPSCoR in order to help us continue developing our programs and stronger curriculum, and that's huge.